Alright, let's have this horizontal distance Stadia factor analysis. A tachymeter with a Stadia constant of 0.3 was set up on the line between the points A and B. These are the given readings. Okay. Stadia interval factor of the level is 100. Determine the length of AB, and if the instrument of height is 1.52 meter and is set up on the point with elevation 22.1, determine the elevation of point B. Now remember, ang formulang gagamitin natin, B is KS plus C. So model lang natin yung equation na to. When the Stadia intercept is 0, okay, ang distance na is 0.3. And when the Stadia intercept is 1, ang distance na is 100.3. So to get this D1, itong D1 na to, subtract lang natin yung upper at saka lower. That's the intercept, no? 1.327 minus 1.011 and then shift 155. Okay, this gives you 31.9 meters. And then what? Okay, and then yung isa naman is what? 2.004 minus what? 1.707. Okay, shift 155 again gives you what? Gives you the distance here, 30. So pag in-add ko siya plus 31.9, that will give me my answer here. Okay, 61.9. Eh given ako ng elevation ito at saka height. Anong elevation ng kung saan sinet up yung instrument? Elevation is 22.1. That's there. Okay, 22.1 ito. 22.1. So 22.1, add ko lang yung height ng instrument, which is what? 1.52, and then isubtract ko lang yung middle reading nito sa B, ito minus 1. Kasi ito yung hinahanap, ito yung distance dito, yan. Ito. There, yung gitna na yan. So minus 1.867. So yan ang reading magmula dun sa base. So equals, you have 21.753. Alright, I'm sorry. This is 21.753. This is your answer.